No, I think I just need a medium mango Eegees, please. Yep, that's it. Thank you.
Ask her again.
Are you looking forward to seeing Miss Penny? Mango. Mango Eegees.
Last one of the month, most probably. And then it won't be mango anymore.
All mango. Mm. It's sweet. It's tropical. It's delicious.
It's raining! Yay! People who have never lived in the desert do not understand how exciting this is. The sound of the monsoon storms in an Airstream. So we actually had rain today, thank you, honey. And what that means is we have clouds, and we're actually sitting out here watching the sunset. So let me see if I can show you. And we're just enjoying the fact that it is less than 100 degrees out right now, and we may actually see some color. So if we get anything, I will definitely show you. It's getting prettier and prettier. This is what our kitchen looks like. And we're making lunch. Asian salad today. Steve has the broccoli on the grill outside. It'll go right there. And then we'll eat.